There we go.
All right, keep pulling up. You almost got him up here.
Oh, it's a fishy, fishy song, did it? That's it. You're learning how to reel it in by yourself. Hey, point the pole this way.
Oh, he's a good one. He's a good one. Use the rod to move him that way.
Yeah. Yeah. Okay, don't pull that hard. Okay, now. Reel.
One more pull, I can get him on that. There we go.
Woo, that's a big son of a bitch. God dang, he's spoiled.
Yeah. You gotta hold on. Okay, you can lay the pole down now, buddy. Just lay it on the ground.
And they're blue cats. They taste real good. Hey, Jimmy 5, buddy. You're a fisherman now. Whoa, don't fall over. Good job. Okay, now the next one's for the other kid, Johnny. Or Tamara. Tamara's next. We'll get pictures of it back up at the dock. Yeah, because
right now, if you try to hold him, he's gonna kick and throw himself back in the lake.
I'll bet you he's, oh, that's not a weight. I'll bet you he's 13 pounds.
I'm gonna guess 8 to 10.
Oh, 8 to 10.
I do have a scale I can weigh him with.
Oh, that's maybe when we get back, just so he could say when his kids ask him how big was it, he could tell them. That's a big catfish.
That's the other size point here.
Yeah. That catches like.
Johnny's never caught a fish like that.
No, not that big.
Oh, really?
I caught one your size, David. Remember? That red I caught, 64 inches. So we were bringing them up. Remember we were bringing them up?
Oh, we've caught thousands of reds together, bull reds. The biggest one I ever caught was 52 inches. Now let it go. No, it wasn't 64 because that would be a world's record and then you didn't catch it.
Guess how big my biggest blue cat is so far?
25?
61.
Trolling?
Yeah, but that was on, you know what Tom Lab Lake is?
Oh, sure, yeah.
It's not a lake anymore.
Yeah, my buddy lives on it and that dam broke a couple of years ago. He's a lawyer and representing, you know, that company. They're suing them because,
I want to see what the redfish look like.
you know, they charge the shit out of them in property tax. Good job, buddy. That's a big fish.
That was a good job. That was an excellent job.
You'll only get better reeling them in.
I'm surprised he reeled it in all.
Oh, I did too. I was behind him. If he was going to lose it, because we can't lose that pole.
Every time I turn the live well on, the radio turns off for a sec.
Now we're at 28.
Well, we're not getting skunked.
I know it does have to be like later.
Not getting skunked. That was a good job, buddy. You must have rubbed that chicken the right way.
He never could reach it. But he tried, and that's just as good.
Made a wish upon a ticket.
Creedence Clearwater. I've seen them guys in 1968 at the
What does a
Municipal
redfish
Auditorium.
look like?
Huh?
What does a redfish look like?
See the sticker on my windshield?
Oh look, a fish just jumped over there.
Oh yeah, you'll see fish jump once in a while. Those are carp usually. Sometimes gar.
See that picture right there?
Catfish
Look
and
around.
redfish don't jump though.
That's a redfish. He has a dot on the tail.
Here they have lots of dots in this lake. I don't know why, but they get lots of spots on them.
Oh yeah.
On the coast, usually one spot. So let me say hi to the camera. He just caught a big catfish. We'll get good pictures and everything later, but I got a video of you landing it, I think. GoPro, stop recording.